Hello, welcome to the third tutorial of learning programming through JavaScript. Today we're going to make a major step. We're going to learn about memory and variables. To create a variable, you type a var. This says that you're declaring a variable. Next, whatever you type is the name of that variable. So let's say we want to name it x. We have created a variable named x. Now, x is undefined because we have not done anything to it. You can set x to a string, like hello world. So now x is hello world. You can type that all out in one. You can do x equals hey, like that. And so now we've redefined x as hey. Create another variable named y, bo. You can just add strings together. So for example, if we do x plus y, it will give us hey yo, which is x combined with y. So now this also works with all the numbers, of course, and number operations. So if we set x to 1 and we created y with 50, and we do x plus y, we've got 51. Now that you can store data, you can do basically anything.